Morning all and Happy New Year. Hope you all had a great night. It is the 1st of January today, so yeah, looking forward to another good camp. Just off now to meet Dino, so we'll bring him back shortly, and yeah, it's gonna be a good one, this one, so look forward to it. Catch you soon.
I'll win it, I'll just say I'm gonna fucking do it.
I'm gonna do a giveaway.
I'm gonna do a giveaway.
In another month. Yeah.
Fuck it.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, do you know what? I'm spinning it, mate. I'm gonna talk from that end. We can do this for
The podcast will be good.
Yeah, because all we do is sat there laughing. I don't know what to say, Dino. I'm fucked. Now. It's on my list of things to get.
Yeah.
And then do your rice separately.
Do yours, mate.
That's alright.
Proper cool.
Right, so we're back out again. As you can see, me and Dino have set up already. So that's all set up. Dino's just now down at the far end, chopping up some wood, getting some dry wood, because a lot of it in here is damp. We struggled to find even ground. It's been a bit of a nightmare. However, we found this nice little cute spot. and it's actually worked really well, to be fair. My original plan was to build like a dugout and sleep in a dugout. However, because of the ground and everything else like that, I've gone for a bit more of an easier option. I don't even know where he's actually gone, to be fair. But yeah, just getting some grub up and go quickly now, and I'll bring you back shortly. So you can see we're going for a bit of a plough point. Worked pretty well, to be fair, especially with the military style tarps. Quite an odd shape, to be honest. However, it's worked pretty well. Plenty of room inside as well, which is good.
Thank you.
You're fucking brilliant, mate. What this?
Yeah, you cooked it.
Yeah, I'll call it cooking.
Not a cookie.
No, good mate. Should just grab this as is.
See what I fucking like. Triple bypass. You don't have to notice it when you sat down.
What's that?
Cold. It's not cold when you sat down.
That's the boy.
Hmm?
High fab.
Yeah.
It seemed like more. Remember when these be right greasy?
Yeah.
They don't seem as greasy now.
No, I think they've worked on it probably.
Right, so we just had some grub. Dino brought in some ration packs that were nice. Nice little potato and chicken curry. I'm just going to process a load of wood now. Dino's back down grabbing a load of thicker wood. I'm just going to start cutting and chopping a load of these down now, ready for the fire. Look, straight away, lovely.
Bosh, mate. Went up, straight up.
That's what we've used.
What's that, mate? looking good now, isn't it?
She's cooked.
I think you just needed that fat wood, didn't it?
Yeah.
Keep it going. Took a video with him. We were abroad somewhere looking for turtles.
Turtles. Right, so as promised, the giveaway for the Bushman's chair. Big Dino will be doing it for us.
Shout out to Bushman Smithy.
Right, so Dean, if you can get the wheel out, mate, the wheel of
Roger.
fortune.
Tell me when you want me to go.
Yeah, good to go, mate.
Right, ready? It's fair.
And bring that up to camera as well, mate.
Yeah. Jessica, 40, mummy. Congratulations on winning the chair.
Just drop that, come a bit closer. That's it, congratulations, Jessica. Red hot.
Big Baz getting the dinner on the go. Aye. Fucking hell, mate. These are monsters, mate. He's got a knife. He's got his fucking knife on there.
Oh, mate, look at them.
Huh?
Oh, it's like hot. Onions. I had to get them off because it was starting to burn, mate. Just because it's that fire's that hot. Don't know if you want.
What you got left?
Hey?
Is that all the water you got left there?
No, I've got another one as well. Got plenty of water.
Might just nick a bit of brew
Of course
later.
you can, mate, yeah.
Use this for my drink.
Yeah, it's plenty of it. Don't know if you want any more cheese.
Yeah, lay it on, mate.
Yeah, well, lads.
Legend.
Like, comment and subscribe.
That's the one. The challenge is you got to eat it.
Yeah. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Mate, that burger's nice. It's come off just in time as well.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Mate. Get out some eating it. Fuck. Alright. It's about damn time. What are you going to do? Flick it all in the middle a bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. How many hours of the woodland have we got left? It's 5.
Hopefully 12.
I reckon we got a good 5 or 6 hours.
Gotta be, mate, yeah.
Shake a bit.
Yeah.
I know it's not a bird of prey, so they don't come out at night, do they?
Oh, mate.
Yes, mate. I just find it so cool how you can just lay on the floor in the middle of winter. Like
And
literally,
warm
it's
for a
fucking
start.
January, mate. It's supposed to be like the coldest fucking. And we're sat here chilling on the floor in the middle of winter, warm as fuck, just vibing, mate. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what I mean. It ain't for everyone, is it? Like,
No.
But if I wish you could get more people just to feel this moment right now, so that they know that all the shit they have to do to get to this is worth it.
It's worth the graft.
Yeah.
The thing is, a lot of people don't want to get out of their comfort zone anymore, do they?
Nah,
They've got the niceties at home.
What's weird is, mate, this is my comfort zone, mate. I feel
Yeah.
more relaxed and at one with myself when I'm here doing this shit, mate. When I'm at home or when I'm in work or doing all that stressful shit, that's when I feel out of my comfort zone.
Yeah. Burning that.
I think people just get scared about fear and shit like that, don't they? It's like, what's fucking...
It's just unknown, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of this now.
Well, I always say to everyone, like my mate TC, I just recently got into it. I always say to him, just get out once, like just experience it once. Start off with people, I reckon.
Yeah, definitely.
Like, I don't think we'd have had this experience in our permission, would we?
No.
Like for me, I just thought, fuck it. Someone mentioned it a while back.
Never even knew it existed, mate, to be fair.
There was a random geezer that messaged me and he was like, I love your pictures, mate, from when I did Skeleton Tower.
Yeah.
And he went, we'll have to get out sometime. Seems like a bit of a lad, ex-military lad. And he said, have you ever done a Yearsley's Wood or Yearsley's Wood, whatever it's called? I said, no, I'm not. He said, I want to try it. I did ask him if he wanted to come today, but he was busy last minute, so.
Yeah, not last minute, then 12 hours before.
Exactly, yeah. And camps down by that river.
Yeah.
Right next to it.
Just not a big hammock fan. I ain't got it. What I need to do is buy a decent hammock set where once it's set up to your swing, that's it, innit? Do you know what I mean?
And that's like me. It's taken me a while to get my my one Tigress like that.
Yeah.
Compound hammock. It's taken me, and I like the fact, that's why I went with the compound. I like the fact it's got the bug net attached to it.
Yeah.
So it's in the summer, I can just really just chill out without anything over me. I don't need a tarp or anything. I can just see it through the bug net.
Yeah.
I'm not going to get bitten alive. It's, yeah, I think once you have it set up, like you said.
And then it's seconds then, innit? It's up.
Yeah.
It's done.
It's knowing the tree length as well.
Yeah.
If you overcook it and get too long of a tree length apart, it can fuck up your hammocks swing. I've always been taught about 10 foot. You need about 1.5 foot. When you go like that, you need about 1.5 foot on each side, 2 foot. And it never does me wrong going like that. That's the fucking one, mate. Isn't it?
Nice, like that.
Nice. Good night.
Yeah, good night, see you later.
In morning.
In morning, I'll silly.
Yeah.
Hey, spin this up. Right.
Rain's coming down now. You got a good spot there, mate.
Hey?
You got a good spot.
Oh, it's cushy, mate. To be fair, because of all this fluff that's on the floor, it's actually so warm, it's unreal. Right, well, that's me and Dino all sorted now in bed. Well, Dino is, not me. I'll spin you on to see Dino. Look at that. Hi. As happy as ever.
Yep.
It's been a good little camp, hasn't it, mate?
Amazing.
Good
food,
grub.
great company.
That's it. That's what it's all about.
Fire's still going.
Yeah. Rain's just about coming now as well, which is good. Right, well, good night, everyone. Yeah. This is such a view, mate, from your bed.
What's that?
The view, mate, it's so nice from your bed.
It's a view.
Yeah. So as you can see, throughout the night I slept well, but unfortunately what had seemed to happen is water had leaked from the bottom of the tarp setup and then made its way down towards myself. Luckily enough though, I did have a bivvy bag, which then obviously led me to stay dry and warm throughout the night. I actually never realised that I was sleeping in a puddle until the morning. Once I got up, got moving, I realised then that there was actually a puddle and I was laying underneath it all. So yeah, so it's important to show all this solely on the fact of sometimes you think you got the perfect setup, and as you can see, water did seem to manage to find its way in.
This is the worst bit when you.
But all in all, good night. I did stay dry, and again, it just shows the importance of having a bivvy bag at all times.
Get back as well, yeah.
Oh shit, son.
Shit, son. Yeah, that's the worst bit.
It is, mate.
Yeah. Go back to work.
Yeah.
Well, that stayed up pretty much most of the night, that did.
What did?
Hmm?
What stayed hot?
My hot water bottle. Yeah, I've got the bruise, mate. I want the bruise.
I do it. If I take a couple of these in, it's always enough.
Yeah. I like going on hikes, so.
Oh yeah, so I don't really do a lot of fucking hiking.
I'm not splinting.
Do a lot of walking, but no hiking. I mean,
So good, mate. There's a secret Bobby in Peak District, which is nice. Done a little video on that. That's pretty nice.
I hate getting out my pit in the morning.
Woo woo!
I just want to say a big thank you to watching, and a happy new year. 2024 is going to be a great one, so yeah, look forward to more videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.